喂，星仔啊，你明知阿叔幾百度近視，你買飛買到最後嗰行，最過嗰兩個位，咩意思啊？
意思就係本來我係同咪咪嚟睇嘅，咪咪臨時唔得閒先揾你頂上嘅啫，所以話有得睇就咪咁多嘢講啦。
睇咩戲啊？
非洲和尚。
邊個做非洲和尚啊？
力蘇。
呢個就係力蘇啊？
唔係，陣間佢出場我話你聽啊。
Deal. Congratulations, Mr. Hay. Now, if we can move on to the next item on the agenda.
大師啊，點啊？雕到我祖宗未啊？
未雕到啩，不過正話雕咗個花樽。
大師啊，今日咧，我無論如何都要買到我祖宗翻去噶啦。如果唔係，我邊度有面目見我鄧氏宗親啲叔伯兄弟啊？
定啲啦。邊個會同你爭？
呢個就係力蘇啊？
呢隻係僵屍，你咪咁心急啦。
Next item coming up is a priceless Chinese mummy. May I present our Chinese auctioneer, Mr. Sato, the famous mummy expert. Thank you.
Thank you.
呢個係咪力蘇啊？
呢個係插蘇啊！唔好嘈，睇戲好唔好
？Piece from the ancient East. We shall now present an audiovisual narrative on this item. This will present the characteristics of the Chinese vampire, not unlike the one we have on offer here tonight. Here you see the typical European vampire as we know it in the Western culture, in comparison to a very different Chinese vampire. As we know, a holy cross can be used to fend off a European vampire. But this method will have no effect at all on a Chinese one. The same goes for very strong light and various other methods that scare European vampires. The Chinese vampire is only controlled by yellow pieces of paper, inscribed with ancient Chinese spiritual quotations. I view this to be unique and very valuable item. Beautifully embound, a robe remains from the Chinese aristocrat who died in the 15th century. Shall we start a bidding at £50,000? There we are.
60.
70.
80.
90.
100.
He must be crazy.
100 once.
Hold it! Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Mister, this so-called mummy is my great-great-great-grandfather. I have to bring him back to my hometown. It's very important to me.
Hey, look, I don't give a shit about this grandfather of yours. How do I know he's your great-great-great-grandfather anyway?
佢講咩啊？
佢話點先可以證明到佢係我祖宗喎？
叫佢起身。
We're gonna raise the mummy.
Bullshit. If you can raise that mummy, the mummy is yours.
Stop beating, you guys! send you a check later。
入錯地獄。做乜咁多鬼㗎？
哦，呢個係外國人嘅萬聖節，即係我哋中國人嘅盂蘭節啊嘛。
我即係扮嘢啫，咁都冇咁驚。
嗱，大師啊，嗱，你兩個唔好行開，我去攞車，好快翻。
呢位，咁都行埋一邊先得㗎。
What an incredible costume! Listen, I must tell you, your friend's got the most incredible costume. It's the last emperor in China. It's the Qing dynasty. If it was a competition, your friend would win. I think there should have been a competition, because your friend would have won. Come on, ring your bell.
老得住。
Oh, Halloween!
走咗去邊呢？綁住你隻手，等你唔好四圍走。
Now look, man, this is a hold up.
Against the wall, baby.
Yeah, put your hands up, man. That's safe.
You hear that? Come on,
Now what's
man.
wrong
Come
with you,
on,
man? Put your hands up. Hands.
Damn fool you are.
You better do what
Now
my
look
friend
at this,
says.
man. This is a knife, and I'm gonna... Let's search him, brother. Come on, let's see what he's got underneath his Chinese costume.
Some poor Chinaman.
Hey, come on, I tell you. Man, you look fat, man. Look at
Your
fat,
face,
though.
man. Your
Oh, look
makeup.
at those teeth.
So ugly, man.
Must be... Here, I will see you fatter. Hey!
人不犯鬼，鬼不犯人。
哇！大師啊，你哋去咗邊度啊？我兜咗好耐揾你哋啊！快啲啦！大師啊，我叫你參觀下啫，冇叫你帶住我中四圍走噶嘛。呢度人又多啊，你又唔熟路喎，好容易唔見咗我祖宗噶嘛。你唔掛自己啊，都要掛我祖宗噶。我哋鄧氏宗親會出錢請你噶喎，你要有啲職業道德至得㗎。我唔係氹氣啊，我係為你好㗎咋，你自己諗下啦。你打我工㗎嘛。
呢個究竟係咪你祖宗嚟㗎？我查過你哋鄧氏族譜，冇人做過一品官噃。
大師，我呢個祖宗係當日陪李鴻章出使英國做替身㗎，佢本身係九品官。
咁即係芝麻綠豆官啫，值唔值得咁遠？叫我幫你揾翻香港啊！
大師啊，官階咧大小都冇問題，佢係我祖宗啊嘛。What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on?
It's too foggy. We have to dash to the cloud to find our direction.
Direction? What direction? What happened to the compass?
The compass. I already told you the compass isn't working.
佢話個羅盤壞咗，揾唔到方向啊！
羅盤？我有個羅庚。
羅庚得唔得㗎，大師？
你唔知指南針係中國人發明嘅咩？咁忘盤！
咁即係我祖宗都有份咧。
你問佢想向邊邊飛？
哦 ，Which direction should we head towards?
East.
大師啊，向東邊喎。
東面北背南左東右西。話俾佢聽，向嗰邊飛。
哦 ，Make a left turn. We're going this way. Left turn.
Jeez. Something's wrong. I sense that something could be wrong.
Could be. It is definitely wrong. Don't you tell me we're heading towards Hong Kong.
Ha! Don't you tell me that we're heading east.
佢講咩？
佢話你頭先指嗰邊唔係東啊。
佢理得過個羅庚？
阿叔
啊，
呢位就係大名鼎鼎嘅力蘇啦。
哦，
你睇佢靚仔唔靚仔啊？
靚仔靚仔，喺非洲都算係咁啦。
啊，
哇，咁大個閉15嘅。
好生養嘛。
哦，
嗱，佢哋呢族嘅土人咧係非常之友善、行俠仗義、見義勇為嘅。咁佢而家見到幾個女仔無端端俾人綁實晒隻手，就走埋去救人啦。
嗯，呢兩句嘢梗係奸噶啦。
一睇個樣就知啦。
誒，佢同佢講咩啊？
而家力蘇就走埋同個鬼婆講，佢話頭先嗰幾個女仔又唔係野獸，為咩事要綁住佢哋咧？